Imagine turning a 2-hour lecture, a 50-page PDF, or a dense academic article into a clean, organized summary in seconds. Today, I'm showing you how to use NoteGPT, the ultimate AI learning workspace that is literally changing the game for educators. If you want to reclaim 5 hours of your week and provide world-class materials for your students, don't move. The future of note-taking is here. Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators. I'm Govindaraja Kariyappa. As teachers, we have too much to read and too little time to prep, which is why NoteGPT is a total game changer. It's not just a summarizer, but a full-scale AI, second brain, that transforms long YouTube lectures into study guides, dense PDFs into visual mind maps, and even builds entire slide decks in seconds. Getting started with NoteGPT? Getting started is incredibly simple. Just head over to notegpt.io, use the Continue with Google option for a one-click login to access their generous free tier, and you'll have a professional digital assistant ready to streamline your K-12 or university classroom. Now that you're in, let's dive straight into the feature that put NoteGPT on the map, the legendary YouTube Summarizer. 1. Generate summary of YouTube video. We've all found that absolute gold mine of a 45-minute guest lecture on YouTube. But let's be real, as a busy educator, you don't have an hour to sit through it just to hunt for the key points. Here's the high-speed workflow to fix that. Just grab the URL, paste it into NoteGPT, and hit Generate. Boom! In seconds, you get a full, searchable transcript, perfectly time-stamped ideas, and a structured breakdown that's ready to be dropped straight into your lesson plan. 2. AI PDF or the Magic Mind Map. Next up is the PDF Summarizer, a literal lifesaver for anyone wading through dense research papers or long student reports. But the real showstopper, here is the AI Mind Map feature. Imagine taking a complex 20-page document and watching NoteGPT visually deconstruct it into an interactive map in seconds. For your visual learners, this is absolute gold. You can export these maps directly into your lecture slides to illustrate exactly how ideas connect, making even the toughest topics crystal clear with unbelievable accuracy. 3. The AI Presentation Generator. Now, let's talk about the absolute ultimate time saver, the AI Presentation Generator. If you are tired of spending your entire Sunday designing slides from scratch, this is your new best friend. The process is incredibly simple. Just enter your topic or upload a source file, select your tone. I personally recommend Professional for classroom lectures, and choose your AI model, like GPT-4 or DeepSeek V3, for maximum accuracy. Within seconds, NoteGPT builds a comprehensive, high-quality slide deck complete with an introduction, key instructional points, real-world examples, and a solid conclusion. But here is the best part, it's fully editable, meaning you can swap images, tweak the fonts, or adjust the layout to perfectly match your school's branding, giving you a result that looks like a professional designer spent all day on it while you only spent a few clicks. 4. AI Flashcards Generator. For your students, and even for your own professional development, NoteGPT features a high-speed AI flashcard generator that puts an end to the tedious grind of manual study prep. Instead of spending hours typing out terms and definitions, you can simply drop in a YouTube lecture link or a dense textbook chapter, and the AI intelligently scans the content to extract the most critical definitions, complex formulas, and core concepts. Within seconds, it builds a perfectly organized set of digital flashcards, allowing students to skip the busy work and dive straight into active recall and mastery of the material, ensuring they focus their energy on learning rather than just organizing. 5. AI PDF to Video Converter. This feature that truly feels like magic, the AI PDF to Video Converter. We've all been there, assigning a dense, multi-page PDF that we know half the students might struggle to finish. NoteGPT solves this by transforming your static documents into dynamic, high-engagement videos, complete with professional-grade audio narration. Whether it's a complex research paper, a detailed lesson plan, or a chapter of notes, this tool breathes life into your text, making it the perfect resource for flipped classrooms, accessible learning, and students who thrive on auditory content. You are no longer just sharing a file, you are delivering a polished, narrated educational experience that boosts retention and captures attention, all without you ever having to spend hours in a recording booth. 6. AI Podcast Generator. For our finale, I've saved the most innovative feature for last, the AI podcast generator. This is how you truly future-proof your classroom by bridging the gap between dense, static text and high-engagement auditory learning. Imagine instantly transforming your PDFs, websites, YouTube lectures, or even your own handwritten notes into a professional-sounding podcast in just seconds. It's not just about the incredible speed, it's the level of customization, offering a variety of natural-sounding voices and multi-language support that makes it an absolute game-changer for ESL students and auditory learners alike. Whether you are building, study on the go, guides for a flipped classroom or looking for a fast, free way to make your curriculum more inclusive, this tool turns your teaching materials into a polished audio experience that your students can listen to anywhere, anytime. That wraps up your full NoteGPT walkthrough, the ultimate tool to help you learn faster, teach smarter, and reclaim hours every single week. From instant YouTube summaries and magical AI PDF mind maps to professional slide decks and auto-generated flashcards, we've covered it all. If you're ready to finally end the grind of manual work, hit that like button and subscribe for more teacher-focused AI deep dives. Don't forget to comment tutorial below if you want us to do a specialized, step-by-step deep dive into the new DeepSeek integration. It's time to automate the boring administrative tasks and delegate to AI so we can focus on truly connecting with our students. Every minute you save using these tools is a minute you can invest back into the growth and success of your own classroom. I'm Govindaraja Kariyappa, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next one.